Hello guys. In this video, we are going to see about Firebase Studio Sunset. Mostly I have seen some people saying sunset means closing your application for fixed time or complete or permanently closing this Firebase Studio. Most of the people have used VS Code and this is the one of the thing that was created for Next.js version Firebase Studio thing, and it is so easy for people who wants to create an app via the online IDE tool like VS Code. And there are a lot of alternatives in it. And Firebase Studio is one of my favorite tool while creating because it is easy for me to transfer the projects when you have multiple GitHub or GitLab things because you can use different accounts of GitHub to transfer your projects to different data. So it is comfortable one. But as Firebase Studio is closing now, the Firebase Studio is trying to say that we will be available in next video IDE like Google Anti-Gravity. Even it is a super tool for beginners who never used VS Code. Seriously, this one is so nice. But if you are using the VS Code already have the connection of Google Gemini. Like this, Google Anti-Gravity also use the Google Gemini to create your projects with the AI tool, even in the online. But I have noticed that the Gemini used when it was in online itself. When you are in offline, I don't think it won't work. Uh, so this LLM thing won't work when there is no internet in it. And also, I have found certain another thing that this Firebase Studio suggested. This one, Google AI apps, which is called Google AI Studio. When you type a prompt like create a calculator with text or speech, it will create a project for you. And you can also edit a music or an image like that. The sunset of the Firebase Studio will be March 22, 2027. So I will say that closing is a bad idea if you ask me because professional people have two accounts in GitHub, which is called um, professional and personal. People will have facing the committing thing in GitHub. That is the one thing. But because of this Fire Studio, as a beginner, people learn to use it in online and without the storage error, which is the main thing. Because while downloading the VS Code, we need to install the Python or Java, occupies a lot of storage in our PC itself. If you are using SSD, it is consuming. And another thing in the anti-gravity thing, I have realized that anti-gravity and VS Code are similar, like a clone tool. So I don't think the Google anti-gravity will be the alternative of VS Code, which is so easy. So I won't suggest if you are using a VS Code. You can also use the Google Gemini in VS Code itself. So if you are a beginner, you can use this anti-gravity because it will work like a VS Code itself. So it is super easy for you, like VS Code. And this Google AI Studio, it is like a chat app. Okay. And even it creates the environment thing and it automatically create the Google AI tier of API key, which never did in Firebase Studio. It is this Firebase Studio is OS of NIX OS, which is a good thing if you are a Linux user. And this Gemini, right? It automatically create a free API tier tool for Gemini, which I do not want it for my project. And also, it automatically changes my code, which never happened in Firebase Studio unless I gave a wrong prompt about the changes of my project itself. So it is your own choice to use these tools, alternative of Firebase Studios or VS Code.